Hey guys, if you're getting the can't connect right now on YouTube for Fire TV error message, I'm going to show you how to solve this. So there's many different methods. First things first, you can go ahead and restart the Fire Stick. So access your settings, then click on My Fire TV and choose the restart option in the prompt, and then your device will turn off and back on. And what you can also do is you can go ahead and check your Wi-Fi connection, right? Because the Fire Stick basically relies on a stable connection for it to function. So this is what you're gonna do. Click on settings, okay, then select network and just highlight the currently connected network, and then just press the play or pause button on the remote, and then you'll be able to review the connection status right here, right? And if the connection has problem, what you can do is switch to either mobile data or back to Wi-Fi, vice versa. Choose another more stable connection, and what you can do is you can try and forget your network. So come here, choose the network, and then you're gonna press that key to forget this network, and then connect it back again. Okay, that should fix the issue. Or what you can do is you can plug the Fire Stick TV into a power outlet. So if you've connected it using an extension board, you can unplug it from there and connect it to an actual power outlet. This is because, the extension board might not actually be providing it adequate power for it to function. And if one app is not working, if you're having issues with a specific app, for example, a YouTube TV, you can try using another similar app, see if that's still giving you an issue. If it is, then it means that the Fire Stick itself is having an issue, not the app. And then what you can do is, if the app is providing you trouble, for example, YouTube TV, you can go ahead and clear the problematic apps cache. So go to settings, select applications, then what you're going to do is you're going to click on manage installed applications and go ahead and choose the app. For example, let's say this was YouTube TV. You're having issues with this. You can click on the back button to clear the cache, right? Click on clear cache, and then what you can also do is update the Fire Stick software. Go to settings, click on My Fire TV, and then choose your about section. Go ahead and click on check for updates. And if there's any updates, go ahead and install that. And the last method, okay, if none of these work, go open up your settings, go to My Fire TV, and click on reset to factory defaults, right? And then when a prompt comes up, just select reset. Really that easy and simple, guys. And then your, app should work. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.